Welcome back, traders. Happy to have you here today. In this short video, I'll show you how to build a powerful trading strategy with the RedK Volume Accelerated Directional Energy Ratio, RedK Vader, to detect trade opportunities in the market. What's the RedK Volume Accelerated Directional Energy Ratio, RedK Vader, all about? The RedK Volume Accelerated Directional Energy Ratio, Vader, is a technical indicator that makes use of price moves, displacement, and the associated volume, effort, to estimate the positive, buying, and negative, selling energy behind the scenes, enabling traders to read the market action in more details and adjust their trading decisions accordingly. I believe trading should be made simple and not to be rocket science. This indicator's working concepts are simple to understand, thereby making it one of the best trading indicators beginners can use to build a consistent and reliable trading strategy in the market. To apply this indicator on the trading chart, search the keyword RedK Volume Accelerated Directional Energy Ratio, RedK Vader, on the TradingView indicator folder here, and select the RedK Volume Accelerated Directional Energy Ratio, RedK Vader, by RedK Trader. Here's the trading indicator at the bottom of our trading chart here. As we can see, this indicator has a midline of 0. Let's right-click to learn more about the indicator components. Under the Input section here, we have the length with the default value of 10. Here are the directional energy ratio values. The average is 5, and the smoothing is 3. Here are the volume parameters. The calculation by default is set to relative, and the lookback for relatives is 20. It's advisable to leave the default settings intact. Under the Style selection, there's the supply energy. Let's modify the supply energy color to be yellow. We need to increase the opacity level a little bit. 75% opacity color is okay. The demand energy, light blue color here, is okay. Here's the Vader, which has a gray color. Let's modify it to be white. Also, let's increase the opacity to be 100%. Traders can modify the color 0 and color 1 here to any color of their interest. The red and green color here is okay. How does this trading indicator work in the market? The light blue line with crosses represents the positive energy, or the buying strength. The yellow line with circles represents the negative energy, or the selling strength. The thick green-red mainline plot represents the net energy. Generally, the main signal to be looking out for is when the thick green-red mainline crosses 0 up or down. The white line, Vader, by default, is a volume-weighted indicator. It uses the volume associated with the change in bar close value, full mode, as an accelerator in the calculation of the directional energy. How can we detect a buy and sell setup with this trading indicator? The main signal to confirm a buy or sell trade setup is when Vader's green-red line crosses the 0 line. How can we detect a buy setup with this trading indicator? The white line crossover above the red line will give the first early signal of an imminent change in price direction. The crossover of the light blue line above the yellow line will give the second signal of the bullish setup. And lastly, the transformation of the red line to green color above the 0 line will lead to the bullish setup confirmation. As we can see here, the green line above 0 represents that the net energy is with the buyers, and we should favor long positions. When should we close our long trades? The red line, below 0, reflects that the sellers have control, and we should favor short positions, or consider closing our long position. How can we detect a sell setup with this trading indicator? The white line crossover below the green line will give the first early signal of an imminent change in price direction. The crossover of the light blue line below the yellow line will give the second signal of the bearish setup. And lastly, the transformation of the green line to the red color below the 0 line will lead to the bearish setup confirmation. As we can see here, the red line, below zero, reflects that the sellers have control, and we should favor short positions or consider closing our long position. When should we close our short trades? The green line, above zero, reflects that the buyers have control, and we should favor long positions or consider closing our short position.